Top 9 indoor plants for generate oxygen. With the rising degree of contaminations, the air around is crumbling step by step. This expands the odds of illnesses like asthma, sinus, bronchitis, and numerous other breathing issues. While the public authority and other well-being administrative bodies are chipping away at the most ideal arrangements, people need to make strides in charge to help the contamination levels go down. One cannot stay away from the contamination and breathing in poisonous substances. One can in any case ensure adequate stock of clean air and oxygen inside with indoor plants. Keeping plants inside improves air quality as well as improve your psychological well-being and cause you to feel more tranquil. Here are the main 9 indoor plants for generate oxygen. Number 1. Ficus plant. Ficus plant, commonly known as the weeping fig, is a beautiful foliage air purifying plant. It is a common house plant with various benefits. It is one of the best air purifying plant and has been recognized by NASA for effective at cleansing airborne formaldehyde, xylene and toluene. By keeping this plant in your house, you can improve the quality of the air you breathe indoors and stay healthy.
Number 2. Aloe vera plant. A lasting delicious, aloe vera is known for being useful for your skin. It is frequently referred to as the miracle plant as it has numerous health advantages and is a known spice. It is a great plant for cleansing the air, as it eliminates benzene and formaldehyde from the air. It is additionally known for delivering oxygen around evening time. It is an incredible indoor plant for oxygen. Number 3. Pothos Plant. A delightful and enthusiastic foliage plant, Pothos is extremely simple to deal with. It is a fantastic plant to improve air quality inside the house. It is known for discharging poisons from the air like formaldehyde, benzene and carbon monoxide. It is an honorable indoor plant for oxygen and delivers oxygen around evening time. Number 4. Arachnid, spider plant. The arachnid plant is one of the simplest indoor plants to develop. The arachnid plant is known to improve the air quality by sifting through carbon monoxide, formaldehyde and benzene. It is an eminent indoor plant for oxygen. It is additionally known for spreading cheerful energies and assisting with uneasiness and stress the executives. Number 5. Erica palm. Known for engrossing destructive contaminations from the air, Erica palm is outstanding amongst other indoor plants for cleaning the air. Erica palm isn't just known for sanitizing the air, yet additionally assists with the appropriate improvement of youngsters and embryo. Keeping this plant in the house assists with the reinforcing the sensory system too. Number 6. Snake plant. Magnificent air refining foliage, snake plant is perhaps the most loved indoor plants. It is perceived by NASA for sanitizing the air and retaining poisons like formaldehyde, nitrogen oxide, benzene, xylene and trichloroethylene. It is known for adding oxygen to the room and retaining CO2. Number 7. Tulsi. Profound foliage, Tulsi plant has a few advantages. Keeping this plant in the house is known to bring great well-being and karma into the house. It is known for shielding the house from evil. Aside from its profound advantages, the Tulsi plant is known as the sovereign of spices and has a few medical advantages. Keeping Tulsi plant inside the house builds the stockpile of oxygen as it gives out oxygen 20 hours per day. It likewise retains destructive gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide from the air. Number 8. Bamboo plant. The bamboo plant eliminates toluene from the air, which is a dry fluid with a sharp smell and has destructive impacts like nose, eyes, and throat disturbance. It additionally sifts through hurtful poisons from the environment like benzene and formaldehyde. Keeping a bamboo plant at home can expand oxygen levels hugely. Number 9. Gerbera Daisy. The vivid blossoming plant makes the house look delightful as well as is an amazing indoor plant for oxygen. According to NASA's Clean Air Study, Gerbera Daisy eliminates poisons from the air like formaldehyde, benzene and trichloroethylene. It is additionally known for delivering oxygen around evening time and engrossing CO2. One cannot do much about the air they inhale outside, yet can positively expand oxygen levels inside with the assistance of green companions.